Hi guys, I'm Cody Jay and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create this stunning look using the Kylie Cosmetics The Purple Palette. Keep on watching. Okay, to get started with this beautiful eyeshadow look using the Purple Palette from Kylie Cosmetics, I'm going to take this medium-sized fluffy blending brush from Morphe and we're going to start blending in this purple shade in our crease. When applying this first shadow, make sure you put a little bit of pressure just so you can make sure the color shows up pretty intensely. It doesn't need to be too much, but you don't want it to be really soft because we're going to be applying other shadows above it and you might lose some pigmentation. Once you've done that, start winging out this purple shadow to the shape that you prefer. I like mine to be a little bit more angular and upwards towards my tail of my brow, but again, it's just personal preference. Then in small circular motions, you're going to start blending above your crease just to make sure there are no harsh lines. Next, we're going to take the shade Lilac right here, the light purple, and we're going to start blending that above the crease just to make sure that it's diffused, blended, and seamless. Now when you're doing this, you're of course going to lose a little bit of the dark purple, but we're going to go back in a second and deepen it up a little bit more. Definitely make sure you're taking it all the way around, of course, to make sure there are no harsh edges. So now we're going back in with that first dark purple shade just to bring back some intensity and vibrancy to the look that we lost while we were blending. Next, go into Wine and Dine, which is this cranberry purple, and we're going to apply this in our crease and a little bit lower and blend it into the crease shade that we used first. Make sure in addition to your windshield wiper motions, you're also going in circular motions too. Windshield wiper and circular motions are a pretty good combination when it comes to blending. Now we're going to take our P. Louise base, or whatever base or concealer you're using, and a flat brush such as this one from Morphe. This is my go-to cut crease brush. And starting on our inner corner, we're going to slowly and carefully trace around our crease. Bring the concealer down onto your lid and pat it into place just to set it. And then start taking this concealer and winging it up in the same direction as your shadow. Next, take whatever concealer is left on the brush and start stamping it on the lid just to fill it in as much as you can, and then connect the line to the lid. Next, we're going to take this beautiful shimmer, and we're going to take a flat synthetic brush and start packing it onto our lid. Now this shadow gave me a little bit of trouble. I had to definitely go in quite a few times just to get it as pigmented as I end up getting it. Of course, we're going to take the shimmer and we're going to take it all the way up. Next, take a little bit of Wine and Dine again with a small T14 brush or something similar and go underneath your lower lash line. Next, we're going to take this lighter purple and we're going to blend this into the first purple we used under our lash line, and we're going to take both of these purples upwards towards our tail end of our brow just to connect everything together. Next, we're going to take this beautiful white shimmer and we're going to pop this in our inner corner just for that little extra moment. Then, taking our ColourPop cream gel liner, we're going to line our waterline, followed by some Great Lash mascara. Don't forget the lower lashes, you know the drill. And to finish this look off, we're throwing on some lashes from Bella & Co. These are absolutely beautiful and very comfortable lashes. Make sure you, of course, set them in place and clamp them together with your real lashes. And you guys, that finishes today's mini tutorial using the Kylie Cosmetics The Purple Palette. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up down below and click that subscribe button so you can join my YouTube family. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.